Rasipa, located between Hamad and Zarqa, is primarily an industrial and residential city, but it also welcomes travelers passing through the central Jordan. Its proximity to Amman makes it a practical place for tourists looking for affordable stays near the capital. Here are the top 10 restaurants in Rasipa. The first one is Rasifa Palace Hotel. Rasifa Palace Hotel is one of the most popular properties in this city, offering spacious rooms with modern amenities. Guests enjoy free Wi-Fi, comfortable beddings, and private bathrooms. The in-house restaurants are both Middle Eastern and international dishes. Its central location provides easy access to shops, markets, and transport. Staff are professional and attentive, making it a dependable mid-range stay. The second one is Samaraswa Hotel Apartments. Perfect for families and long-term travelers, Samaraswa offers service apartments with kitchens and living spaces. Rooms are large, well-furnished, and designed for comfort. Guests appreciate the flexibility of the cooking their own meals while still enjoying the hotel-style service. The staff are welcoming and quick to assist with local travel guidance. It's a great option for extended stays near Amman and Zarqa. The third one is Golden Key Hotel Rasipa. Golden Key Hotel provides comfortable mid-range accommodation with a polished environment. Rooms are modern with amenities like air conditioning, Wi-Fi, and flat-screen TVs. The restaurant offers local and continental meals, praised for freshness and flavor. Guest highlights professional staff and calm ambience. Its location near the main highway make it convenient for travelers in transit. The fourth one is Alcasar Hotel. Alcasar Hotel is a budget-friendly property known for its clean, simple rooms and warm hospitality. Facilities include Wi-Fi, comfortable bedding, and private bathrooms. Guests love its affordability and safe environment located close to local restaurants and shops. It's convenient for short stays. Guest staff are helpful and attentive, making it a reliable choice for budget-conscious travelers. The fifth one is Al Zahra Hotel Apartments. This property offers apartment-style stays with modern amenities, spacious rooms, equipped kitchens, and family-friendly service, making it a great choice for longer visits. Guests appreciate the cleanliness and comfort as well as the handsome staff. Its quiet surrounding add to the relaxing atmosphere, a solid option for tourists wanting a home-like experience in Rasifa. The next one is Rasifa Modern Hotel. Rasifa Modern Hotel lives up to its name with contemporary interiors and updated facilities. From the stylish with comfortable beds, Wi-Fi, and neat bathrooms. The cafe serves snacks and beverages perfect for casual dining. Guests praising its calm environment and professional service. It's ideal for travelers who want comfort and convenience at reasonable rates. The next one is Al Andalus Hotel. Al Andalus Hotel provides a cultural touch with its warm interior and traditional Georgian decor. Rooms are cozy, clean, and equipped with essentials. The restaurant offers local specialties that guests often highlight as an authentic and flavorful. The staff are welcoming, creating a homey vibe. It's a good choice for cultural travelers who want affordable accommodation with character. The next one is Crown Inn Rasfa. Crown Inn is a practical hotel offering well-maintained rooms with basic amenities. Guests enjoy fast Wi-Fi, comfortable bedding, and friendly service. Its location near transport routes make it useful for tourists traveling between Amman and Zarqa. The environment is clean and secure, ensuring peace of mind for families. A reliable mid-rate option for business and leisure travelers. The second house is Rasifa Relax Hotel. As the name suggests, Rasifa Relax Hotel provides a calm and restful environment. Rooms are simple but neat, with all essential for a comfortable stay. Guests appreciate the quiet surrounding, make it ideal for unwinding after travel. The staff are friendly and attentive, always ready to assist with local informations. It's a solid pick for travelers looking for peace on a budget. The last one is Al Amal Guest House. Al Amal Guest House is a family-run property offering budget-friendly rooms with warm hospitality. The stay is simple with clean bedding, Wi-Fi, and share or private bathrooms depending on the choice. Guests highlight the homemade meals and personal care party host. Its location within residential area give it a local feel. It's best suited for cultural travelers and backpackers who value authenticity. Asada may not be a tourist hotspot, but its hotel offers comfort, affordability, and authentic Georgian hospitality. From modern stays like Golden Key and from modern hotels to cultural and family-friendly options like Al Andalus and Al Amal Guest House, the city has something for every traveler.